Who Touched My Phone is an Android application designed to enhance the security and privacy of smartphone users by providing insights into unauthorized access attempts. This app helps individuals monitor and track any suspicious activity on their devices, ensuring peace of mind when it comes to personal information. The application typically works by taking a picture of anyone who tries to unlock the phone unsuccessfully. It records the time and date of the attempt, allowing users to identify potential intruders. Additionally, Who Touched My Phone may include features such as motion detection and alerts that notify users when someone is tampering with their device. The user interface is usually straightforward, enabling easy navigation and quick access to logs and images captured by the app. By providing this level of monitoring, the application serves to deter unauthorized access and protect sensitive information. Overall, Who Touched My Phone is a practical security tool for Android users seeking to safeguard their devices from unwanted intrusions, providing valuable insights into device access attempts.